Today, we're going to break down the key features of a Facebook business page in 2025 so you can make the most of your online presence and connect with your audience more effectively. Understanding these features helps you manage your page professionally and use the tools Facebook provides to grow your business. First, every business page has a profile picture and cover photo, which are the first things visitors see. Your profile picture is usually your logo, giving your page a recognizable identity, while your cover photo can showcase your brand, products, or services. Having visually appealing images makes a strong first impression and builds credibility. Next, the About section is essential for providing important business information. Here you can add your business description, contact details, address, website, and hours of operation. This section helps potential customers learn more about your business and improves your page's visibility in searches. Facebook business pages also include tabs and buttons to guide visitors. These can include services, shop, reviews, photos, videos, and more. Action buttons like Call Now, Send Message, or Book Now make it easy for visitors to interact with your business. Organizing tabs effectively ensures users can find the information they need quickly. Another powerful feature is Insights, which provides analytics about your page performance. You can see data on post engagement, audience demographics, reach, and page views. Insights help you understand what content resonates with your audience and guides your posting strategy to improve results over time. Messaging and communication features are also key. The inbox combines Facebook and Instagram messages, allowing you to respond to customers quickly. You can also use automated replies to answer common questions and provide a smooth customer experience. Prompt responses build trust and keep your audience engaged. Finally, Facebook business pages offer review and recommendation features. Positive reviews increase credibility and help attract new customers. You can also showcase products or services, create events, and run ads directly from your page, giving you multiple ways to reach and engage your audience. By understanding and using these features, you can make your Facebook business page more professional, interactive, and effective in 2025. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more practical social media tips and tutorials.